Hi guys, let's make some marks on paper with some acrylic paint. I just felt like doing some real quick, kind of show you my go-tos. Right now I'm using, I believe this is wax paper. Don't quote me, but I always call it kitchen paper. But it's excellent to put down as a layer because it's, a little bit transparent. But I get these spongy things. Well, this set I got at Walmart. There's several different sizes. I don't have all the ones that come with it on me, but they're great. So circles are my favorite thing to mark make with. If you're not familiar with the point of mark making, I never know who's new to my channel. You can use these pieces of random painty papers in collage. They look awesome. Making, collage, snippet rolls, everything. Art journaling. But I always keep a surplus and a backup stash. I'm kind of obsessed with just the process because I find it relaxing. So I'm just using a handful of different brushes. I got, a bunch here. I'm just doing my go-to marks, you guys. Nothing profound or new. Just adding to my pile. I love dashes, I guess you could say. And then you can switch up. Oops, I got too much paint on here. The size of your dashes based on your brush or the pressure, But I use dashes, this kind of collage pieces a lot. It blends very well in collage. Actually, I like to go up here too, finish that out. So let's do a couple papers and then let you guys go. Black is one of my favorite colors to use, and an X mark is one of my favorite marks to make. It goes so well with collage. Very basic, easy to do. You can make your X's big, small, whatever you feel like doing. I don't mind if they're a little clumpy with the paint because that gives more texture to them. But I always keep X's on hand. I like to do, I don't know if it's a cross, but it kind of like a cross. I do that a lot too. A simple polka dot is a second, third favorite. Oh, we got Henry that's tired in the background. I love using caps to things. I'm trying to think what color I want to do here. I have just like a few colors sitting next to me. I guess I can do a blue. So I smush my blue around, or my paint around, and then use a cap. Ooh, I just dropped my sponge. So these are, just basic marks that are perfect for painty paper collage. If you guys saw my stash, you'd be like, you don't need to make more. I know I don't, but I like making them. And I'm in the process of moving my paints from the garage to the basement, so it kind of reminded me of my paints. So I was like, oh, I feel like doing a little bit of painting real quick. So I get a lot of questions about my painting and my painting papers in my comments. So figured I'd quickly do a basic video. So if anyone wants to make some collage papers with acrylic paint, here's just some easy go-to papers that I make. Let's see. I have a smaller little guy that I might use. Let me think. What color? Oh, I haven't used this blue. So I'm gonna use this blue. So sometimes I just do marks like that, or I just flip the paintbrush around, go this way. It really just depends on what I feel like doing. It's all the same difference, just making marks. Oh, but the cross thingy that I like, This isn't a great brush for it. Well, it's not terrible, but it's time consuming doing it with this brush. So I'm not gonna keep doing that one because I need like a pointier brush to do that. So I could use this one again, even though it's got black on it. Might be black blue, which is fine. This blue is weird. It's kind of, it's almost like translucent. It's interesting. It's not my favorite. Sometimes I'll just turn the brush over. This is pretty tedious, but you can make, just make some polka dots. If you just want to, a little section. Otherwise, you have to be patient to do, a bunch of these. But it's another option. But I'm not going to do a bunch of polka dots right now. I'll just finish it off with some dashes. But yeah, just in a few minutes, you'll have some fun painty papers. You can make, envelopes, journal pockets, collage, snippet strips, clusters, all sorts of fun things with these papers. So I know it's not all fitting into frame, but it's wet, so I can't pull it into frame. But anyways, guys, I was just hopping on real quick, make a few painty papers, and that's it. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.